Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I will be sharing with you how I make this delicious and healthy carrot juice. If today is your first time or first day of coming across this video, a warm welcome to you. Please don't forget to follow this page, like, share and comment to be notified whenever I upload a new video. And to my returning subscribers, a very big thank you and I appreciate. May God bless you. So let's get started. Here I have ginger, some carrots, apples, lemon. You can use lime if that is what you prefer. Next, I have celery, pineapple. Now I will be going off camera to prep them, cut and give it a thorough and good wash. And we are done prepping. Look at how beautiful, colorful, nice, neat it looks. Next is to transfer them into the blender. Blend until it is smooth. So I added in some water to enable it blend easily. Yeah. And we are done blending. So next, in a bowl, I placed my chiffon cloth, poured in the blended mixture and start to extract all the juice out. Yeah. And we are done extracting the juice. So I will be adding in the lemon juice. Give it a complete stir. You can add in any sweetener of your choice, but I am taking mine this way. I love lemons. So carrot juice is best consumed immediately for the highest amount of nutrients. Though you can store leftover carrot juice in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 2 days if needed. Yeah, this is so healthy, so good. It nourishes the body. Yeah, it tastes so delicious, natural sweetening. It is light on the tummy and won't give you digestive issues. To know more and benefit of carrot juice, please use Google search for more info. Yeah, we have come to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching and remain blessed. See you on my next video. Bye.